G'day, it's Charlie, and today we're going to be talking about drip campaigns and why they're important to nurturing leads. It's topic number 297. I'm back to my normal format. I'm sitting in my chair and I have my Lotus behind me and I'm just doing the talking head thing again. I would really love some feedback as to which sort of format you're enjoying, what works for you, what doesn't work, what do you want to see more of, what don't you want to see more of. But let's do this today. We're going to talk about what drip campaigns are and why they're important. So drip campaign helps with step-by-step engagement. They deliver a series of pre-written emails over time, gradually introducing prospects, new clients or prospective new clients, let me say that, to your brand and nurturing them through the sales funnel. So typically you will get someone into a drip campaign when they sign up on your website for the freebie or the value offer that you make. When you sign up when you sign up on a website and you for the top 10 tips, find out the biggest mistakes people make and how to avoid them, those sorts of things, that generally puts you into a drip campaign, and it helps with the step-by-step engagement. And the idea is education and credentialing. So it's normally an automated follow-up, which means that once you trigger the process, once you sign up, you trigger a process, and that automation will send out the email in sequential format, sequentially. Let's try that. To your prospects. You as the business owner generally don't have to intervene anywhere past you've created the emails and you've got them into the system. What that means by automating the follow-up is that your leads, your prospects, your prospective new clients receive consistent communication, and you or your team don't have to get involved. So it's really that matter of making sure that you have something going out regularly to remind them and to keep your brand top of mind. We've spoken about that in previous podcasts as well. You could and should personalize the messages that you're sending. Each email in a drip sequence can be personalized based on the recipient's behavior or the stage in the buying journey, and that stage is defined by where they are in that drip sequence, and that should increase relevance and engagement by your prospect. As I've already mentioned, your drip campaigns and nurturing leads, the idea is that it's education and it's trust building and it's credentialing. You use these sequences to educate your leads, your prospects, your prospective new clients about your products, share your case studies. I am doing so badly today. Or provide value-driven content that is going to build that trust, build the fact that you are the expert in this area. Drip campaigns can also help you segment your leads based on their engagement and allow you to prioritize your higher interest prospects. So that's called lead scoring and segmentation. Now, I've spoken about this a couple of times, particularly when we've been talking about automations in your email campaigns. When a prospect clicks on a specific link in an email, you can actually have them move to a new sequence, a new email sequence, you can have them tagged with something. And based on which sequence they're in, what tag they've got, you can then either personalize it further. You can change the sequence and say, well, you clicked on this link, which means you're not interested in this stuff over here. Let's send you down this track because this is where this is what this was about, and tell you about that information, give you that information. It really helps you start to hone things down and qualify your prospects further. When you get your drip campaigns, and notice I say it's more than one campaign, when you get your drip campaigns really well done and they are executed well, These are going to guide your prospects, your leads, towards conversion, whether that's signing up for a new service, making a purchase, or requesting a demo, even requesting, like buying an ebook or something. The idea is that you take them through this funnel, which is everyone gets this freebie, and you narrow it down and you narrow it down and you narrow it down. And sometimes you'll take some out here and put them down this funnel, and some down here and put them down this side, and some down here and down this side. And in the end, they all you should get them down to they're either politely interested, sorry, not interested at all, politely interested, or they have a specific requirement that your business can fill. That's why drip campaigns are really, really important in nurturing leads. It's not just, you've got to send stuff out just to keep your brand top of mind. It's about qualifying your leads and moving them through the buying journey. And if they don't want to buy at the time, that's okay. They don't have to be buying at the time. You can keep them on a keep warm loop, if you like, and just keep reminding them. And then every now and again you throw something in. Oh, yep, now we can move them to the new list or the new segment or the new sequence or whatever it is. Alrighty, I hope that makes some sense. It makes a lot of sense to me, but I've been doing this for so many years that it is just second nature to me. Sometimes I read my notes again and I go, oh yeah, that's right, and remind myself of things. But a lot of this is just second nature to me, and it may not be to you. So I might be saying things that don't make sense. I might be saying things that are confusing or seem to contradict each other. And if I do, I really would love to hear from you. I'd love to know what questions you have coming out of the content that I'm giving you. Is there things that I'm saying that you disagree with? Are there things that you're saying that I'm saying that you agree with? What has worked for you? What hasn't worked for you? Anything. I'd love to hear from you, particularly about what we're talking about, but I'd love to hear from you. You can do that by commenting wherever you are watching or listening to this video. You can join our locals community, askcharlyleetham.locals.com. You can send us DMs via our social media. I will respond to anything that you guys send me, unless you're going to spam me. And guys, really appreciate that you give me all the offers to send my content viral and all that. I don't respond to spam offers this way. If you want to know why, find the episode that I did on building trust and building a relationship. But if you want to engage on the content that I'm delivering here, I will happily join in a conversation. If you can, like the video. That always helps us get our content out there further. Subscribe to the channel. That helps as well. And if you ring the notification bell, you will find out when my content drops. I drop at least one video a day at 8 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time each and every day. Some days I drop a couple more. Have a fantastic day. May your lead nurturing do well. And tomorrow, I think we are going to be talking about email marketing with social media, and that should be really good. And it's actually really topical given the rise of social media in our marketing campaigns these days. I'll see you all tomorrow, guys. Bye.